A tutorial. Follow along with me. Top diagonal line. Bottom diagonal line. The iris. The eyelid. Add eyelashes. Time to shade. Add a darker shade. Eyelash tutorial. Draw curved lines. Darken the lines. There you go. Closed eye. Side view. Front view. Easy. Time to draw eyelashes. Remember to use curved lines. Draw the direction first. Add darker lines. Bottom eyelashes. Add more lashes. Final result. Enemy eyes. Don't. Top diagonal line.
No need to hesitate, baby, this is our fate. You are my soulmate.
The iris.
You and me, we're on fire. You are my desire. Baby, this is my dream.
Time to shade.
You like my queen. The beat is pumping.
Add eyelashes.
As the night comes to an end, I want to take your hand.
The results. Like and subscribe.